Let's go.
Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Julie Leslie, back at again with another music video today for you guys. And today I'm super excited because JONG KOok made a song with ATEEZ, and ATEEZ is obviously a big Korean K-pop group, amazing, and I think they're making a comeback soon, so that is exciting. And Mingi came back and I'm super excited. And JONG KOok is like, he was part of Turbo, if you don't know what that is. It's like an old, I think 90s K-pop group, and like he's on Running Man and some other variety shows, and he's like super buff, but he sings really good. Like if you looked at him, you're like, you sing that well. Like when he sang for the first time, what that I noticed was on Running Man for like a segment, he has the most like high pitched like falsetto, like it is amazing. Like, so I'm super excited to react to this. I don't know what the song is called yet because it's in Korean and I don't really read Korean, but yeah, I'm super excited to react to this. If you're already, please subscribe, please like, let's get right to this video. This is like the collaboration that I did not, oh my gosh, look at it, Jungkook. Oh, look, eating ice cream, look. This is what I'm talking about. He is so cute. No, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to go back. That, oh my goodness. Look at him, look at you. Look at Jungkook. Look at them eating ice creams. Oh my gosh, look at his voice. Who was that staring at him? I didn't see. Look at me. Is that Jay? His vocals are unmatched. Look at it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Okay. Collaboration. I love this. Oh my gosh. I haven't heard his voice in such a long time. Look at you know. Oh my god, so cute. Son. They look so, look at his haircut. No. Look at him. Oh my goodness. That's not even my bias. He looks so freaking amazing. Look at Woo. Oh my god, that is so cute. Come on. Come on, leader. Who is that? Mingy? I love this concert on them. Is that his other partner from Turbo, I think? Oh, JONG KOok. They look so cute. They need to be models of something. Like OST worthy. This is OST worthy. They look so good. Come on. He still got the moves though. He was good as like any of them on there, in my opinion. Okay. They look so cute. Oh my goodness. I forgot some of their names, but I still know them. Come on. I'm so ready for this comeback. Just, oh my gosh, I'm waiting for it. You know my bias. Oh, they look so cute. No wonder people call them Musan. I love this take, like this remix of this song. Oh my gosh, he looks so good. Like, His vocals, oh my goodness. Get it, boy. Mingi. I gotta go back. That was... But he still has it. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Bro, he hit that note. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, the background vocals. I'm in love with you always. Oh. Wow. That was too good. That high note at the end, deceased. I'm not gonna lie, that was a collaboration that I did not know I needed. Like, that was such a more cheerful song. Like, I know for me, like, I've been like not like my usual self lately, and that song has definitely cheered me up. Like, it was so good, so vibrant, summery feeling. It's like I really wanted to be with them. Literally, I wanted to be with them eating popsicles and the ice cream. I wanted to be in the pool with them singing. That was such an amazing song. Like, Jongkook, I said Jongkook like his YouTube channel. Jongkook still has it. That man is super ripped and super good looking for his age. Like, he killed this song. Like, he ate it up. ATEEZ, again, also, I love them so much. They did an amazing job with this collaboration. They did everyone justice, not leaving one person out, and I love that Mingi is back. Like, I'm super excited. He looks so happy with his members and everything, so I'm super excited that I got to do this. But guys, I love ATEEZ so much. I hope they come back as soon. I really don't know what day it is, but I'm super excited for it anyway. But if you're already ready, please subscribe, please like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.